I need somebody who can love me at my worst. Oh, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. Cause it's only you, nobody.
Look at those. Dang. Oh, look at this. The ghost. Crazy. It's Halloween here. Oh, what are you gonna do with it? $15. Look at that. It's the design. Oh. Wow. That was nice. Here's. Oh, look at this. Eyeballs. Oh, that's cool. What's that?
You have to take like 3 out of 10 out of the fridge.
Oh, that's so cool.
Oh yeah, I can smell it.
There's a smell?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Peaches. Babe, what is that? I know. Right?
I haven't seen it.
How they make it white?
A real pumpkin.
What the heck? How much?
$4.
$4 for that one?
Yeah.
It doesn't match the color of my... Why is it a different size? Oh, this one is good. Where did you go? Dang. Because it's Friday. This is not recording the first time. Jesus. And okay. Good morning, guys. No, actually, let's go further. Good afternoon, guys. It is 2:23 p.m. I'll just finish editing and then later on uploading the videos. It's now processing. So he's been out for more than an hour working in the roof, and I am starting to clean up those things. So I'll show you where he are right now. 2, 3. So he was there. I can't go farther because he has closer yet because he has some music. So no. So continuation. He said it is easier now to put shingles. He's putting shingles right now. The hardest part is what's the side because he need to cut it. But the farther he goes here, it's faster. And I'm the one gonna clean up all this shit. The old shingles. So we'll see how long he's gonna finish. So it looks nice. And come on, let's start. Let's put it to the trash. So, yep. Let's pick up nails. This is how to pick up nails. We have this magnet thing. Look at that. Ooh, can you hear that? This is amazing. Imagine that, how many nails in here. Ta-da! Let's see. Look at that. I have tons of nails. Diba? And then, oops. Ta-da! And then, let's go here, guys. So, there's like in the hole, it's hard to get, so I'm gonna get it later. Some nails first. And then got one in the hole. We need something like, yeah, see that? So that's what it needs to be. See. So now let's clean this first. I don't know if you can see me, guys. Oh shoot. Look at that. You just need to finish until to that edge and then put cover again. It's fast. Started 12, I think, or 1, and it's now 6. Cool, but it's nice, the color. It's like brown, golden brown, and it started to get cold. And maybe it's gonna rain. So, ciao. And that's it for today and tomorrow again. And I'm freezing here. I've cleaned this too now. It's not clean yet, but all the shits are gone. And then I raked the pine needles. Not done yet, they're still, I'm just tired. So that's it for today. Poo-poo heads. My flowers. The deer eats all the leaves and how it's growing back in. I got rosebuds. See that? Barosog. Let's see. So this is clean now. All the shingles are gone. I rake it too. Sweep it. And it's freezing. There's no sunset today. Cause look at this sky. And there's no deers. Haven't seen deer around. And it's so cold right now. And it's only 6 and oh, look at that. The aspen tree is yellow on the top over there. That looks so cool. I need to get my phone, take a picture of that one. So that's it for today, guys. And tomorrow it's another pupus and the chuchus again. So see ya tomorrow. Ciao. Oh, again and again and again. Check it
Go
out.
ahead and keep. I always.
Where is... So, good morning, guys. Oh no, it's afternoon already. It's 12 p.m. 12:48 already right now, and I look poo-poos and the choo-choos. Ciao. So today is the last day for this dumpster. Look at that, it's halfway full, and they're gonna pick this up tomorrow morning. So we need to fill it up as much as we can. Bebo throwing all of that, and then he's gonna throw that, I think that's a trampoline, to here, and then I'm gonna rake as the pine needles as much as I can so they can fill it up, so it's not a waste renting this. I think it's like $500 to rent this for 2 weeks. And yeah, he just finished half of the roof. No, I mean he removed all the shingles, half of it, and then he put the shingles, one part of it, and can't do that right now, so we need to fill this up right away so it's ready to pick up for tomorrow. And that's another trash to put there. So now let's start. Ciao. Wow. Dang, Papo.
I trust Mr. Shaughnessy. If I prosecute this case, I'll be given the authority which comes with this.
We won't try the case. Let's establish one thing.